To create an event, head to the Events section of your dashboard, then Add New Event. Give your event a name. Select the start and end dates and times using the drop-down calendars. If your event repeats over multiple dates or times, tick "This is a recurring event." You'll return to this later after you save your event. Choose the relevant time zone. Enter the venue name and address. If your event is online, tick the box below instead. Under the heading Event page, you can add a description for your event. The description can be formatted using the buttons provided. Next, upload an event image using the Upload button. You can choose a custom call to action for the button your customers will press to buy tickets. Under the Tickets and Items heading, click the Add Ticket Type button to create the first ticket type you want to sell. If you wish to add upsells to your event like merchandise, gift vouchers or upgrades, select Add Product. You can also choose whether you'd like to allow customers to make a donation. Under the Event Settings heading, you can set the currency for your event and choose your payment method. If you wish to add your own domain or activate refund protection, you can set that up from here too. When you're done, just click Save Event. From the Event Summary page, you can click Preview Event Page to see what your draft event will look like to your attendees. When you're ready to start selling, you can use the grey drop-down menu at the top of the page to switch your event from draft to published.